This Weichert Realtors, the Spiesman Group, property video is presented by Randy Spiesman. Expansive describes this large open raised ranch. You have not seen a raised ranch with a larger dining room, living room and kitchen area. It gives the impression of an open floor plan. The 2 bedrooms are also good size. There are 2 full baths, 1 on each level. The L-shaped family room could easily be broken up into a bedroom and family room. The family room has slider to the patio and backyard. The property is also expansive on a double city lot for extra lawn space. The windows and mechanicals triangle 2 natural gas boiler which mounts on wall, are totally updated. Just add your own cosmetic touches and make this home your own. For more information, review the details below or contact Randy Spiesman at 845-336-2633.